panic. People are in fear. Still panic. People are in fear. In their mind, there is the flood situation of 2018. So people are in fear. If rain continues like this, we will have to take precautionary measures than this time. And we are all seeking all support from all government sources to rescue people who are stranded in some other places.
Kottayam, Pathanamthitta and Idukki experienced extremely heavy rainfall, measuring up to 361 mm at places in the last maybe 24 hours or so. Much of the rain spell was after about 10 o'clock in the night and until the early morning. That has caused a number of landslips in stone-cut places there, roads and houses and all that. And we also have seen some debris flows. However, people are aware, people have had experience of this, and also the alerts running for the last 3 days. So essentially what we have seen is fatality numbers are thankfully deaths reported. The rain spell for the south is almost over. Now it's moving towards the north. So starting from today also, after that we will
গুমৰি আহিলে বান উটুৱাই নিলে কাষৰে ঘৰখন পলকতে উটি গ'ল গোহালিৰে গৰুহাল পৰপতি অতিয়ে মোক কৰিলে কঙাল